Well, welcome, gentlemen. I'll let you guys know into a very well-kept secret, industry secret that is. The secret to horsepower, it's not just, CNC cylinder heads, putting your components on a dyno simulation and hours of R&D. Nope, that's not it. The secret is free-range cylinder heads. Listen, fellas, if you want all the American stallions that your motor can muster, it's very important. You just don't leave your cylinder heads on a shelf, in a box. They got to experience something little known here in the U.S. That's freedom. Freedom makes horsepower. They need to experience the warm sun on their face. Simple pleasures of being outside in the wilderness. These simple pleasures is what you and I take for granted every day. And here at Free Range Cylinder Heads, that's the kind of love we put into our cylinder heads. Now, our cylinder heads are fed only the most organics of motor oil, not that synthetic bullshit. All right, fellas, come and get it. Long walks, little bit of American tradition, like hunting. Hey, there he is, right out there, 25 yards, getting right under the shoulder. Man, son, you didn't even cock your bow. What the heck's wrong with you? You're at Free Range Cylinder Heads. You want horsepower? You know where to get it. This is what real freedom's all about. You ready? Come on now, Junior. How you like that? Freedom. Like all that horsepower. Feel that freedom. That's right. Free Range Cylinder Heads, where we believe horsepower is freedom. Coming soon, guys. Free range blocks.